Hello, and welcome to this Level 2 Food Safety in Manufacturing training course. This brief introduction will explain how the course is structured. In this course, we'll explore the principles of food safety in manufacturing and how they apply to your day-to-day work. Food safety in manufacturing means using the right practices and processes to keep food safe. It's about setting up work areas, equipment, and routines in ways that help prevent contamination and protect the people who eat the food you produce. This course gives food manufacturing workers the knowledge and tools they need to identify, assess, and control food safety risks in the workplace. By the end of this course, learners will have a stronger understanding of key food safety principles in a manufacturing setting. They will be able to recognize common food safety hazards, carry out basic food safety checks and monitoring, follow safe working practices to prevent contamination, support the implementation of hygiene and control measures, and play their part in maintaining a safe food production environment. This course is divided up into 6 modules to facilitate easier learning. Module 1, Introduction to Food Safety. Module 2, Food Safety Basics. Module 3, Food Safety Hazards. Module 4, HACCP System. Module 5, Cleaning Principles and Procedures. And Module 6, Storage Principles and Procedures. With each of these modules you will find an interactive summary giving an overview of the subject. The e-learning program also tests your knowledge as you progress, both within the program and at the end. These module tests are not assessed and do not form part of your end result. However, you do need to achieve a pass score for each module in order to progress to the end of course theory. You can retake these modules and tests as many times as you wish. End of course theory test. After you have completed all 6 of the subject modules, you will unlock the end of course theory test. This is a multiple choice test. You must score 80% or higher to pass the end test. If you do not achieve this score the first time, you can take the test one more time. If you fail this a second time, then the course will be locked and you will need to contact Human Focus to reapply to take the whole course again.